In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic range in Excel. A dynamic range is useful because it updates automatically as your data grows. Instead of constantly adjusting formulas when you add new rows, Excel can keep track of everything for you. One of the easiest ways to do this is by turning your data into a table and then using a structured reference in your formula. To get started, open Excel and go to a blank worksheet or the sheet where you want to build your example. Next, enter your sample data. Make sure your data is organized in columns and that each column has a clear header at the top. For example, if one of your columns contains sales numbers, the header might be sales. Keeping headers clean and consistent is important because Excel will use them in the formula later. Once your sample data is entered, select the entire data range. Be sure to include both the headers and the rows underneath them. This selection is what Excel will convert into a table. Now, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This is the shortcut that opens the Create Table window. It's a fast way to turn regular data into a structured Excel table, which is what makes the range dynamic. When the dialog box appears, check the option that says, My table has headers. This tells Excel that the first row in your selection contains labels, not data values. If this box is left unchecked by mistake, Excel may rename your headers and your formula references may not look the way you expect. After confirming that, click OK. Your data is now an official Excel table. You'll probably notice a new table style applied automatically along with filter dropdowns in the header row. That's a good sign and confirms the table has been created successfully. To calculate the total sales using this dynamic range, click in the cell where you want the total to appear and enter the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, table 1, open bracket, sales, close bracket, close parenthesis. Written normally, that is equals sum of table 1 sales. This formula adds everything in the sales column of the table. The key advantage here is that it's dynamic. If you add more sales entries to the table later, the formula updates automatically without needing to change the cell range manually. That's all it takes to create a dynamic range in Excel using a table. It's simple, reliable, and especially helpful when you work with data that changes often. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.